A few days ago, you learned all about whole foods, the what to eat. In this next lesson, you'll learn simple, healthy eating strategies, the how to eat, that puts your knowledge into practice. In the modern world, it takes time to figure out your personal eating style that supports healthy nutrition and the food you like to eat. Healthy eating is a skill. So let's dig into simple strategies to help you find success. How do you develop healthy eating habits? It's the same recipe for developing any new skill. Perform an action, get feedback, make changes if necessary, and repeat. The reason most diet programs fail in the long term is they're a vacation from your normal life and diet, but the habits you'll form in this challenge can be permanent. The following two principles can help during your transition to a healthier eating style. Be mindful of what you eat and make whole foods readily available in your space. We often don't think about what we're fueling ourselves with. Being mindful of your food choices will help you choose healthier foods. Understanding what you eat is important. To successfully change your diet, you'll need to make sure whole foods are always readily available and ultra-processed foods are less so. This effort isn't easy in the modern world, but when you understand how to manage your food environment, it becomes much easier. Here are some ideas that may guide you toward eating habits that work for you. Eat vegetables and fruits with every meal. Drink plenty of water during the day. Stop eating after 7 p.m. Cut snacks out of your day. Eat at home and avoid takeout or fast food. And if nothing above resonates with you, feel free to come up with your own ideas. It should follow the same theme. A simple behavior that's doable and supports healthy eating and your wellness goals. Try to steer clear of complex goals that require multiple steps. These steps are actions, not goals. And while we're on the topic, don't forget to keep working on your daily actions of LLV, MetaPower products, 30 minutes of movement, and whole foods.